بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. لا إله إلا الله الله نور السماوات والأرض. The message to all my brothers and sisters, Christian, Muslim, tribals, and others. We are created by God as one. We came from the four Bibles that God made mankind. One is Quran or Karim, is land. Two, the Bible, which is Injil, that is the Roman Catholic air. And the third, Jabur, which is the god of fire, Hindu, fire. And the fourth, that is Taurat. This Taurat is water, came from the Buddhism. Because the Buddhism learned their God from India, that is Buddha. So they will put the four elements into one, and we will become mankind. That is the descendant of Adam. We are the descendant of Adam, the Christian, the Muslim, the tribals, and others. We all the same blood, the same tribe, the same race. Why I come out from this video to deliver all the message, the truth must be the truth. The lineage from the genealogy of my great-grandfather, Sultan Saidina Maulana Masahari Abu Bakar Shariful Hashim. We will give a treaty to the Spain for 300 years in 15th century. For the Spain to rule for 300 years as the caretaker in the whole world, and especially in Southeast Asia. After the signing of the treaty for 300 years, the Spain coming to us not to conquer, not to colonize, but they are taking care the people in the whole world. Before that ending the 300 years, there was another extension for another 100 years. That is the British North Korea Chartered Company, deed of 1878. Before that ended, my grandfather listed the 1802, the land title Titulo de Jolo, which is Filipinas Titulo de Jolo in 1802, before that signing of the deed of 1878 through Gustavus Overbeck and Alfred Dent trading. After the signing, the Queen of Victoria was installed in Victoria Island on November 1st, 1881 as the Queen of the Sarawak Empire that involved Labuan, Brunei, and Sarawak. That is 101 predecessor. After that, another last treaty. The third one is the Mutual Mapilingo, signed in September 16, 1963 in Malacanang Palace Chambers. Before the signing of the Mapilindo, there was another extension of treaty that is northeastern Borneo, that is Sandakan, on April 23, 22, 1903. Before the signing of the Sandakan Treaty, that extension to the deed of 1878, there was a message from the Jack Union Borough, British North Borneo, from the British North Borneo Company. The message written in hand in 1902 that is listed in the United Nations. The message I heartily support and witness the carrier of this note from today onwards up to his descendant, to whom it may concern. The man has the right to overcome the rulers from the division territory from the mainland of North Korea, the highness by the guardians of king and queen, in accordance precisely to the predecessor of law. That's why we come out on this program, or we come out on these matters, that we are the chosen of God to reform and to correct the right of the people in the whole world, regardless of race and races. We are equally treated by God, and we are equally sharing to everyone. And the signing of the Mapilindo for another 50 years, that being granted to Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia for 50 years, for the period of 50 years. There was a legal treaty ahead of the Mutual Mapilindo Agreement in September 6, 1950. That illegal treaty that is called Bandung Treaty in 1958, it was initiated by the late Sukarno, President of Indonesia, that they are going to have another illegal treaty as called Bandung Ansarul Islam. That Ansarul Islam was being signed in Aceh, Indonesia. That President Sukarno was given mandate for 10 years from 1958 to 1968, but without the knowledge of the President of the Republic of the Philippines, with the knowledge of the Senate President and Senator Dorog Malonto. Once that Ansarul Islam already spread out in Mindanao, southern Philippines, because that vision and mission is to destroy the state of Mindanao to establish the royal family. That is not right. So, the created of Commander Dante, initiated by 5 leaders: Diokno, Aquino, Tamano, Nolmishwari, Tamano, Juan Poncinelli. They are the Commander Dante, which they recruit Jabida. From that Jabida, they appoint General Martelino to go to Tawi-Tawi, stay in Simunor, and they recruit 100 trainee Jabida as trained in Corregidor. But they will not succeed because Martelino was arrested in Sandakan. Once Martelino was arrested, so the 5 Dante ordered to execute all the trainee of the Jabida massacre. And then they have to program how the President of the Republic of the Philippines could declare martial law of September 22, 1971. That is September 21, 1972. But according to the President of the United States, Ronald Reagan, Mr. Marcos, if you have proof and evidence, I could have to approve the declaration of martial law. But one of the Dante, 5 Commander Dante, that give idea to let President Marcos, which is Aquino, he said, collect all the important throughout the world. And then they could collect one ship, and then they will let inform Mustafa that one ship of important to be landed in Sandakan. That They will let them to tell the world that this imported one ship imported from China, not from the Philippines. So how this drama was being started, that they will let us to kill one by one, especially the true descendant, especially the blood of Kiram. That's why we are hiding that they were not using the true Kiram because of the liquidation of the Commander Dante in Japida. Once it is landed in Sandakan, Mustafa Harun called the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Tun Rajak, that there is proof that one ship already landed. So, President Marcos sent the First Lady to transact and to get support from the Prime Minister of Malaysia that they will stay in Nak Hotel for 1 month. We don't know what is going on. But for me, I just to tell the world that enough is enough. After that, the youngest secretary was emissary of Ferdinand Marcos. That is Professor Nurul Ladi Mishwari was sent to Sabah to meet Mustafa, the Chief Minister, Mustafa Harun, because this professor is a good speaker. They could capture and convince the leaders to support them as far as revolution is concerned. So the first of all, Mustafa was being brainwashed by this professor, and then they will ask Mishwari to proceed to Indonesia to topple the government of Sukarno. That's why General Suharto succeeded to get the democratic form of government ruled by Sukarno under general control. That is President Suharto. Once Suharto already in the government, Mishwari back to Philippines and asked by President to establish the Philippine Muslim College in Soro. Once already established the Philippine College, they recruit another 100, that is D90, not trained in Libya, trained in Sabah, Cotabato. This D90 was training in Sabah to have another revolution. After that, Mishwari proceeded to Sabah with the endorsement of the stolen document given by Julas Bikiram to Mustafa. That was the document of my grandfather taken from my auntie in 1968. Endorsed it to Mustafa, the document on all the artifacts. So that document that Mustafa abused the power, that they will tell the whole world that he was the one who get the power of the Sultan of Sulu. That's why these big lies must be stopped. Because we don't want to kill anyone. We don't have the right to fight among ourselves because we are one blood as Adam. And I have the right to advise the people of the world because of my mandate as the sovereign judge of the Sulu and North Borneo, and ICJ judge as the Sultan of Sulu and North Borneo, together with my beloved Queen of the Philippine Island, Queen Maria Makiling Hilim Fatima Nazaria Panulino Durajak, sovereign judge of Sulu and North Borneo, and ICJ judge of the Philippine Island. So, you must all support the head of the state for us to have a new generation to save the young, to govern for the right path, to the right leaders. Now, Mustafa was called the president of the Philippines to let Mishwari go to Sabah again. When Mishwari arrived in Sabah, they will proceed to Libya. Because while the D90 carry on the training they will proceed to Libya to meet Colonel Muammar Gaddafi. When they were there in Libya, how the professor convinced the brain of Gaddafi that Gaddafi support the Kudita, and they were going to succeed to take over the kingdom, the monarch of Libya. Luckily, the king of Libya exiled to the United States of America. If not, they will be hung by Gaddafi. So the Kudeta was being succeed. Gaddafi ruled as president, and they will establish the MNLF and the illegal OIC, Organization of Islamic Conference, because we have two. One in Jeddah, that is the original one created by the grandfather, where this illegal OIC was created by Mustafa Mishwari in Gaddafi in Libya. That's why the MNLF stand for Mustafa Nur Mishwari Liberation Front. And then the establishment of illegal OIC, where Mishwari as the chairman. Upon that, they will let all the D90-100 to reorganize in Sulu, Maguindanao, in Basilan to have another fight. This is political drama since from the regime of Marcos until now. The 78th general was being used while the political packager was from Malaysian government. I know the 12th President of the Republic of the Philippines, Peter Ramos, you are still running the administration of the Philippine government, no matter how. So please be advised. Please be advised. You know, when we are in Peconsa attending the 27 September 2012, that you are the guest anniversary of the Peconsa. I heard from your mouth that you asked the Queen to fix Mindanao. And I also heard from your mouth, King, take care of the people. That's why I remind you, please stop the drama. I know you are still in command of the Philippine Republic President. You, President Noynoy, if you are a normal person, you must have not to let the people be scrambled. Huh? To fight in Mindanao is tough. We don't want that. We want peace-loving people. Because your mother let Corazon Aquino, they doesn't want Ramos to run for president. They argue, they discuss, because once you will be the president, you might be going to another continuation of the regime of Marcos. So what will happen now? Huh? Because you don't have authority. You are only a flower past president, puppet president. So I advise you, as I am the king, from the safety and security of the Sultan of Sulu. That is House Bill 42. Mr. Speaker Bormanti, remember this House Bill 42. This is prioritized that the Sultan of Sulu have the right to advise and transact to the President of the Republic of the Philippines to restore the lost kingdom of the East, which is Royal Imperial Lupaso Islamic United Kingdom of Sulu and North Korea. Now rise again. We are already setting our cabinet with our Prime Minister to run and to rule as the parallel government, because you cannot get money from the bank anymore, because the system now is already put by Allah into one account. That is mother account. Once already in the mother account, you don't have any more budget, because God will not give you budget anymore, will not releasing you budget anymore, because you are bad government. Because your government, as of now, from Marcos until now, everywhere in Mindanao, always massacre, bombing. So where did this come from? That's why, Malaysia, we advise you. I know the third Prime Minister of Malaysia is still Mahathir Abdullah. Why I call you Abdullah? Because Muhammad never let the people fight each other. Muhammad is a good man. Muhammad never killed his own people. But Abdullah is the worst. Killing anyone. Fighting each other. Muslim against Muslim. You see what will happen. In Afghanistan, in Iraq, in Syria, in South Africa. You see, in Southern Philippines, especially Mindanao, is still fighting. So I know, Mahathir Abdullah, please be advised, you are now an old man. Because I know, Anwar Ibrahim knows the secret. Everything he knows. That's why the king of Selangor has no right to get back the title of Datuk Seri Anwar. Datuk Seri Anwar, watch out my video. Your title is forever. I will be the one to give you title. Datuk Seri again. Because once you will be pulled out from the cabinet in 1998, I know everything from you. Because you spread out the secret that Mahathir has a 99 company in the foreign company, which is managed by Rina Mahathir. In the ASEAN company, local company in Southeast Asia, 99 also, which is managed by Mukres. So Mahathir, where did you get that money? Do not blind the Malaysian citizen. Please be advised. Kepada orang-orang saya, terhormat di Malaysia, kalau bukan datuk saya yang melahirkan, tak akan Melayu di dunia. Dia ciptakan Malaysia. Dia ciptakan Melayu karena dia tidak mau hilang nama Melayu di dunia. Bukannya nama Mahathir. Minta maaf sama kamu rakyat Malaysia. Kamu sokong balik Datuk Seri Anwar. Mahathir mesti pegang kuasa. Mahathir yang menguruhara dunia. Jangan kamu dimakan fitnah. Kamu saudara saya. Kamu saudara saya. Balikkan kamu. Kasih balik, pegang Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim supaya Malaysia selamat. Karena apa alta Malaysia yang dia pakai? Karena agung pertama adalah Malaysia. Adalah Sultan Sulu. Perdana Menteri pertama adalah Sultan Sulu. Itulah datuk saya. Dia tidak mau ada huru-hara. Ada kematian di antara satu sama lain. Dia penyayang. Dia mau bersatu padu umat. Umat sesiapa-siapa saja. Kristian, Lumat, Tribals, dan lain-lain. Kita mesti satu generasi daripada Adam. Datuk Seri, Datuk Mahathir, Tun Mahathir, Abdullah, aku mau nasihatkan kau, minta maaf kepada Allah Subhanahu Ta'ala, dan minta maaf kepada rakyat kau. Kau masih pegang kuasa. Walau bagaimanapun, aku tahu rahasia kau. Sekarang kasih duduk Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim. Kepada saudara saya 9 raja, kamu sudah tua. Patut kamu menasihatkan rakyat Malaysia, terutama Melayu. Jangan dimakan fitnah. Kamu sebagai raja, tahu rahasia, tahu agama. Jangan kamu dipimpin oleh politik. Politik adalah kotor. Terkotor di dunia. Tengok sekarang apa terjadi. Kita sesama Islam. Berlawan. Di mana-mana negara. Islam sama Islam. Ini bikin malu kepada mata dunia. Itulah. Abdul Halim Shah. Kau sudah 2 kali dilantik agung-agung di Malaysia. Kenapa kau tidak cari cucu? Aku cucu Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj. Dan aku sudah keluar berapa lama sudah. Kenapa kamu membisu? Kenapa kamu membial? Ha? Kamu dikasih duduk 9 raja karena kamu pakai authority 9 years of Sulu and not for you. The 9 years was being used the power to create 9 rulers. And then the 9 years was being to political sultan. Concept to political sultan. That's why they are only given for 50 years to rule for rotation, because according to the 50 years Mapilindo, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, your country is alone. You don't have sovereignty right, because our sovereignty right is already in the hand of the king and queen. So you must be bound. Pedro Ramos, this is a last warning for you. I have the power given to me by Allah. I can let you sleep tonight and survive in the grave. Do not challenge me. This is the power of mine, is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How Islam powerful. Sekarang jangan lagi buat apa-apa, terutama Mahathir Abdullah. Aku panggil kau Mahathir Abdullah. Cukup sudah. Cukup. Malaysia bukan hak kamu, hak datuk saya. Dan duit yang kamu pakai duit Sultan Sulu. Jangan makan fitnah kepada saudara-saudara saya seluruh Malaysia. Kamu bersatu. Kamu support Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim supaya negara kamu tidak terjajas. Ekonomi kamu tidak runtuh. Karena sekarang mau jadi runtuh sudah. Karena Mahathir pakai duit bukan dia punya. Duit Sultan Sulu. Negara Sultan Sulu. Bikin malu saja. Kenapa yang betul dikasih salah? Yang salah dikasih betul. Saudara-saudara saya, 9 raja, kamu dilantik oleh datuk saya. Cukuplah. Jangan lagi ikut Mahathir. Najib, papit Prime Minister, ikut cakap Mahathir. Kamu rakyat Malaysia, bersatu kita. Jangan kamu dikasih makan fitnah. Karena Sultan Sulu adalah membawa agama yang sebenar. Bukan agama yang bukan-bukan. Kita jenis agama dalam Quranul Karim 73. Satu saja yang ditanggap oleh Allah dari Nabi Muhammad SAW. Halus sunnah wal jamaah. Itu yang kita mau, saudara-saudara saya. Islam, kita bersatu. Kita tidak mau lagi difitnah. Habis sudah 50 tahun diperintah oleh kuasa syaitan. Aku tahu siapa yang menghuru-hara dunia. 3 orang saja. Satu Mahathir Abdullah, satu George W. Bush, dan satu Osama bin Laden. Cukup. Jangan lagi buat. Kita mau ekonomia di dunia akan dilaksanakan kepada negara miskin. Kita mau sama-sama makan. Equal sharing. That's why the Royal Imperial of Lupasuk, Islamic United Kingdom of Sulu, signing with the 5 government that is led by the Sultan of Sulu, England, United States of America, France, and Germany. This is the legal treaty. This is the legal agreement, not the 7 ASEAN created by Ferdinand Marcos in 8 August 1967 in Japan, that they will create flag by hand in Japan for the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. But I don't have already suggestion or objection, because this Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao is already my dowry to the Queen of the Philippine Islands. So, whatever be matters, let us unite, because Christian, Muslim, tribals, and others, we are one blood, no matter how. We don't want anymore to let fight, because the massacre everywhere, that is political drama. I will only advise the 2 leaders to maintain the peace and order in Mindanao, Sulu, and Philippines, and Malaysia, Mahathir Abdullah and Ramos. Enough. Let us forgive is to forget. Do not let any more others country to interfere our problems. That's why I advise the Najib, do not support any more Philippine problems. Mindanao problem is for Mindanaoan problems. Do not involve other ASEAN countries. It is shameless in your part that you will involve in every problem of the Philippine government. That is not your right. You are wrong. Even your country, you did not achieve. That's why enough. Now, mga kapatid ko, nandito na ako sa Pilipinas para tayo magkaisa na, huwag na tayo magpaloko. Alam natin na ang laro nila, hindi sila maawa sa kapwa nilang tao. Kayong mga napatayan ng PNP SAP, hindi MILF ang mamamatay tao, hindi MNLF, hindi Abu Sayyaf, kung hindi ay government natin. Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Queen has the right to give you, rule your own system, not to be involved in politics. Supreme Court of the Philippines, you are now an independent. From this February 8, 2015, you work independently without interruption from the local government, from the national government. Philippine National Police, you have the right to stand for the peace and order in the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. You see what happened to General Purosima. You see? You're ordered by the president to do this, to do that. What will happen? So how could you get your beneficiary when you are advised to resign? Now, do not accept the order already, because you have already your Queen of the Philippine Island. Follow the order of the Queen of the Philippine Island. And to have a transition to the federal government, for the King and Queen to have a budget for the speed development of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Whatever be matters, because MNLF and MILF, they are surrendered. I have my proof. I was told by our Sultan Intik that there are 27,000 former MNLF, MILF absorbed into military. That's why there will be no ending of fighting among our Muslim brothers and sisters. This 27,000 was being managed and recorded by the OPAP, Office of the President. That is Galis, Ding Galis. You don't have the right anymore to go to Malaysia to have a peace talk for how many years? Malaysia has no right to have a peace talk because this treaty is illegal. Mustafa made illegal treaty. Mustafa made the Tripoli Agreement in 1976 together with Imelda Marcos and together with Imelda Ramos and Gaddafi to have a 13 provinces autonomous form of government. What is called ALMM? Aquino, Ramos, Marcos, Mahathir. Oh? That's why do not exist the BBL. I know the BBL. This BBL, Borneo Lost Land. That's why US still existed to continue the ALMM. No more. Stop. Because without my grandfather, there will be no Royal ICG. There will be no United Nations, and there will be no OIC. The last reincarnated, he was disappeared in Singapore in 1945. He was appealed again after the World War II. They will go to Netherlands to create Royal ICG and to establish the United Nations. Same year in 1946. Upon that, establishing the UN and Royal ICG, they proceed to Philippines. Because they know that by July 16, 1946, the British North Borneo will be pulled out from Sabah in Sarawak. That's why my grandfather go to Manila to establish the first Commonwealth President and the first President of the Republic of the Philippines. And they will appoint Manuel A. Rojas. Manuel A. Rojas as the fifth President and the first President of the Commonwealth and the first President of the Republic of the Philippines by getting independent on June 12, 1946 for them to take care and to protect the Sabah in Sarawak under one Commonwealth Constitution. That is Freedom Constitution. That's why Manuel Rojas, you follow your grandfather. Do not follow Ramos, because Ramos is a bad man. Mahadel is a bad man, because I am the chosen one to advise anyone to do a positive things, to do a right things. Mga kapatid ko, Pilipino, isa lang ang pinanggalingan natin. We are Filipino Christian. We are Filipino Lumad. We are Filipino Muslim. Hindi tayo Bangsamoro. Ang Bangsamoro, we are baptized by the Spain as pirate. You know, pirate. How could you implement the Bangsamoro when we are pirate? We are Filipino Muslim because we are come from the pride of the Malay race. We are the true pride of the Malay race. So stop fighting. Stop implementing Bangsamoro. We are all put to jail because we are pirate. We are land grabbing. That is from the regime of Spanish. We are not talking. Because they have the right to rule for 300 years. Now, the Queen has the right to advise the Supreme Court of the Philippines and the Central Bank of the Philippines to reopen the model account for us to share, because our vision and mission, one is freedom of religion. Remember, this is always I mention in every time YouTube that I have to show all my image to the public. I always focusing for us to unite. The only things is a freedom of religion and two, freedom of speech. Every citizen in the whole world have the right to speak, have the right to criticize, because you have your freedom of speech and freedom of choice. You have your freedom to go everywhere, to go anywhere, to support everywhere, because that is the word of God, freedom of choice. And the fourth one, that is my alias name. My alias name is the fourth one. No one is above the law. No one is above the law. And the fifth, equal sharing to all people in the world. That the word of the Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo, I have to put it to the humanitarian so that we cannot grab each other. Only the Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo, under the leadership of the King and Queen, only want the 10% royalty from all over the globe, from all over the asset. Because this asset, the source of origin of this asset came from the Mutual Mapilindo. Came from the British North Borneo Chartered Company, came from the Spain Chartered Company, came from the Mutual Malaysia Philippine Indonesia Agreement. That is the recognized agreement. Now, you support the King and Queen. No matter how, the 7 ASEAN country is illegal treaty. Illegal treaty that was established in Bangkok by Mustafa Harun and one of the 9 rulers, which is Adlan Shah. That's why Adlan Shah gone, because they will not follow the advice of my great-grandfather. Malaysia, kamu cukup sudah menghuru-hara dunia. Dan Mahathir, cukup sudah. Jangan lagi kau pergi manapun, kau pakai altak Sultan Suluwa. Mana ada altak di datuk kau? Kau dia dilantik sebagai Perdana Menteri dan kau dipiara oleh datuk saya, kau lawan lagi. Aku tahu rahsia kau. Rahsia kau, suruh Anwar Ibrahim pegang balik Perdana Menteri. Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim is the chosen one to lead to unite the Malaysian people regardless of tribe and religion. That is called keadilan. Saudara saya Agung di Selangor, jangan dengar cakap lagi fitnah. Kenapa kau tarik Datuk Seri Anwar title, sedangkan dia bukan minta. Itu datuk kau yang kasih, Datuk Sultan Salahuddin. Sultan Salahuddin lah yang mencari pada tahun 1997 kepada saudara-saudara cucu-cucu dia di Filipina. Aku tahu hanya Sultan Salahuddin saja yang aku darah daging datuk saya. Pasal dia yang mencari 1997. Aku mau kau ikut. Pasal muka kau sama dengan pakcik saya. Pakcik saya Abdurrahim, sama muka kau, sama muka kamu. Itulah aku tengok kau macam pakcik saya. Itulah kamu darah daging saya. Aku mau kembalikan balik title Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim. Dari ujung rambut kau sampai ujung kaki kau, dengan kamu 9 raja bersatu. Kita tolong menolong, bantu membantu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.